Welcome. Today's DIY is all about converting a cutlery box to a jewelry box. This is a cutlery box. I would love to turn it to a jewelry box. So what I'm gonna do is, I got this soft, I don't know what they call it, but you know it's from cartons, from electronics. I'm going to be using hot glue gun to attach it so that it can hold the earrings, the jewelry I want to put inside. Put the hot glue gun lid and attach it. Put it here too. I'm adding Evostic gum to it. I'm adding Evostic gum to it so that I can spray some glitters on it. I recommend that you use top bond glue, white glue, for this layering of gum for the paper cushion. If you use white glue, it's going to blend with the color of the paper cushion and it will be more aesthetically pleasing. But I had to make do with what I had at home. The Evostic gum is dissolving this soft foam, but it will not be that much. The solvent will not cause too much damage to it, so I'm going to allow it to dry. Once it gets dry, I will sprinkle glitters on it. So I'll leave it to dry. This is me using some glitters on the glue I applied to the paper cushion. There's a tiny opening on the cover of the glitters, and I was just spraying it on the glue. The glue had dried a little but not over dried. I used red color of glitters instead of maybe gold or silver, which would have been better. I used red and a touch of silver. I should have just used silver glitters only. These glitters are affordable. You can get them in Amazon, Noon. You can buy them online. So after applying the glitters, I am using my hands to spread the glitter so that it can be even to an extent. This is me using a hand dryer to make the glitters stick better to the glue and dry well. If you have watched this video to this point, I know you are enjoying the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. This is just a simple idea as to how you can organize your jewelries. I love the space that I inserted this wristwatch. I feel it is beautiful. I have so many other spaces where I inserted my rings, my dotted earrings. So I feel you should give this a trial. You don't really have to break the bank to have something beautiful to organize your jewelry. This is just an idea, and as I was making this video, other ideas too came to my mind. So stay tuned on this channel for the coming videos that I'll be making about organizing jewelries and other stuffs too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.